Hey everybody, Jay here at BMW. Today I want to show you a new feature on the BMW X5. It's called Emergency Stop. And essentially how it works is if you are suddenly incapacitated, maybe you're having a medical condition, something's going on, you need to bring the car to a very quick stop and call emergency services. BMW has a way to do that very quickly. So let's say that I'm driving and suddenly, again, I have a medical condition, something's going on. I just need to stop the vehicle and ask for help. All you simply have to do is pull the e-brake and hold it. The car will turn on the hazards, turn on the interior lights, and automatically trigger an emergency call all by itself. And it will put the car in park as well. So it does all that by itself. If you happen to be on the highway, it will actually slow down and try to pull over the best that it can. Again, all by itself. So very smart feature in case there's ever an emergency and you need to come to a stop and call 911 very quickly. Thank you for watching.